get this video uploaded really fast. I'm going to be down kidding, if I can get things moved around here where I can get to it. Y'all won't be able to see everything because I'm just going to be doing this kind of quick. But this one I'm down kidding Christmas bird. And I wanted to get this down kitted and put away. I need to clear my desk for our live. So I figured I better get moving so that we could move on to the next part of today. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing pretty good. Can't complain. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if I have forgotten to say that in the other videos, I apologize. Sometimes I do forget. But I want you to know you are appreciated very much. And I may not always say how much I appreciate you guys, but I really do, because without you guys, I wouldn't have a channel. So, and I wouldn't have my special friends. So, I figured instead of moving everything around on my desk to get to these boxes, I would just kind of put them on either side of me right now, and we would get this done. This is a new color, 161. I don't have that. Kitting down Christmas birds, which are the ones that I got from Everyday Deals. So, still waiting for my tags to come in. They should be in. What it is, it's DMC codes, so that I can put them in my boxes, and I can send Stacy hers, so that we'll have our boxes all fixed up and make it a lot easier when we are down kidding. 318. I have those. I have two colors. This looks like it's going to be the white lighter color. Time got away from me on the other video. I didn't realize how close we were to 30 minutes until I looked at my timer here. So, let's see, 320. We don't have, yeah, we should have, but we don't. We sure don't. We don't got 320. So let me get a bag. And I am just pulling these labels off and putting them on my bags, because I'm going to be changing out some stuff when I redo everything anyway. The labels are supposed to be here Monday, the DMC codes, but we're going to be gone for a few days, so I really won't be able to get it done until I come back. Then you guys may be looking at an hour-long video. If you want to join me in getting it all put together, just let me know. Okay, 326, 22, 23. Okay, that's another new one. 326. trying to make sure I put these on right. And I'll be switching out and making better labels. I'm just kind of doing this quickly so that I can get this done before I need to get set up for our live stream. Don't want to be late for my first one. Okay, 3:41. Okay. Some of these are hard to pick up. So the next one is 350. Okay, it's hot in my room. It's because I'm in a hurry. I'm going to have to take a minute, get something to drink. I intended on kitting down more than just this, but we'll call it quits after this one and do the next one tomorrow. And you're not working very good for some reason. My 352. Every time I pick up one, it's getting caught. 356. No, 352. Okay. $4.52. Golly, Jackie, can't you see? $4.52. Don't get in a hurry. Make sure you give yourself plenty of time for your down kitten, because you will make tons of mistakes if you don't. And you might make something, a mistake that you really don't want to make, because it'll mess you up. So, don't do it. Okay, 5:35. Stacy doesn't talk much when she's down kitting or up kitting because of making mistakes. So I get it. I understand why she takes her time. I will take all of the labels off later. 666. I know that one's back here. Okay, 800. I knew it wouldn't take too long for these because there's not that many in this one. So, $8.42. So I figured I would just kind of pop in here and do it. 8.42. Yep, there we go. Come up. These look like they might be different color. And they are. So I'm not going to mix them. You can see the difference. Look at that. Okay, I hope I'm where y'all can see. If I've been doing this whole thing where y'all can't see, I'll be so disappointed. It'll teach me to get in such a big old rush. 9:31. And 30. Okay, now we're going to go to the bigger one. Bigger size. Okay. 37.22. 38. 37.22. Trying to keep my arm out of the way. Let me raise y'all a little. I don't know if that'll make a difference, but okay. 37.43. Okay. Yeah, I definitely got to do some rearranging on these before I do another kit down, because of the way these are situated. Let's see, 37.47. Right next to it. And then the last one is 38.13. Let's see, 10. It's a new one. That is a new one, you guys. And 38.13. Okay, and then 38.28. There we go. See, our other dividers that we're going to be putting in will have, they will be taller than our bags, and will make it so much easier for down kitting. Right now, the blank playing cards are nice, but they are shorter than the bags, so it makes them a little harder to flip through, and get what you're looking for. So it's kind of going to fix that. And then I'll just have a lot of blank cards that I can decorate for swaps or send out in friend mail for crafters that do ATC cards and stuff. So, or to donate for, you know, to the church for crafts. So that was it. That was the last one. I am not going to take the time to do the other one because I need to clean my desk, get something to drink, and move on. You'll probably see this after my live has been aired, and you'll hear me talking about it. But I've never done one before. I'm nervous about it. I just want to be prepared as possible. And it's probably going on 3 now, and I'm supposed to go live at 3. I have to contact my daughter Stacy, make sure she's not taking a nap, and she's going to be able to narrate. If not, you know, and I don't even know if I'm going to have anybody show up, be honest. I did post it to my channel and to our Facebook group, so hopefully we'll see. If it doesn't work, it's not a loss. It'll still be fun to try. And if I don't like it, I won't do it again. How's that? Because not everybody is meant to do lives. And I don't know if it's something that I will want to do, but I won't know until I try, right? So, anyway, you guys, I'm going to get off of here. Don't forget our prayer requests. Say a little prayer for me, and I'll pray for you. God bless each one of you. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm glad you're joining me. And I'm sorry if this video seemed like it's just all rushy and all over the place. Sometimes I'm like that. I'll catch you guys in the next video, though. Bye, y'all.